Hello, I'm Mirabelle Madrigal.
And I'm Luisa Madrigal.
We are from the amazing Madrigal family. Luisa, did you see that paper on mental illness and cancer published the other day?
Oh, that paper! Yes, I saw it in my newsfeed. I like that paper a lot. It resonated with me in a couple of ways.
How so? It's not like you have cancer.
You're right, I don't. But I suffer from depression and anxiety, you know.
You do? No wonder Dolores said that you have been mumbling to yourself these days.
Dolores is right. In a way, I feel like my gift of superhuman strength is like cancer. It eats away at me slowly but surely, and it keeps demanding more and more, just like a tumor.
I hadn't thought about it that way, Luisa. I've been a bad sister for not realizing how bad your gift has affected your mental health. And there I was being self-centered, focusing on my lack of powers.
You're here for me now, and that's all that matters.
Could you tell me more about why you're feeling this way? I really want to understand.
Well, okay, but let's talk about the paper first. Scientists found that people with cancer have a high burden of mental illness, and that mental illness could lead to self-harm.
That is so awful. Why would anyone want to harm themselves?
I'm lucky I'm not in such a bad place that I feel the tendency to harm myself, but I can imagine myself spiraling if I don't get help.
They also found that people who harm themselves are more likely to die prematurely from any cause or by suicide.
That's terrible, isn't it? But it all makes sense. Dealing with a chronic condition like cancer can be very stressful, just as having my gift of super strength is stressful. Everyone wants a piece of me. Abuela, our village, they have such high expectations, and I'm scared that I can't live up to their expectations.
Maybe it's time to talk to a therapist?
I have spoken to a therapist. Dr. Garcia said that I could try turning negative thoughts into positive actions.
That's great advice. Is there anything that you would enjoy doing?
Well, I like drawing. I created an illustration to represent the key messages of that mental health and cancer paper.
That's so amazing, Luisa. I bet your illustration can help non-researchers like us to understand the paper better. Let's see it then.
That's the plan. Research is hard, so I hope that my illustration can reinforce the main concepts through imagery.
Wow, this is looking amazing, Luisa. So you drew two sides of a brain to represent mental health?
That's right. The left side is the side with cancer, and the right side is the healthy side.
We're not talking about brain cancer, are we?
No. It's just an artist's impression of the concept where cancer can give rise to mental illness. But there is always a way to get better.
Does the monster with tentacles represent cancer?
Yes, it is shaped like a tumor. And the tree and birds on the right indicate that with proper support and intervention, people can overcome mental illness.
That fish on the left looks scary.
That's a predatory fish. It represents the predatory nature of metastatic cancer cells.
Oh, I see. That's interesting. So do you think drawing helps with what you're feeling?
It absolutely does. And crying helps too.
Don't cry, Luisa. Let's talk to Abuela and see if she can reduce your workload. I'm sure Abuela will be sympathetic.
Will you go with me?
Of course. I love you, sis.